choose an underlayment that balances moisture resistance, load support, and movement control for a laundry room tile floor. For laundry rooms, we prioritize moisture management and load bearing more than in many other rooms, so start with water-resistant cement backerboard when a stable, rigid substrate is needed. Install it over a suitable primer and thin set, screw according to manufacturer spacing, and tape joints with alkali-resistant mesh and thin set to maintain flatness and prevent moisture channels. Uncoupling membranes like polyethylene-based sheets or fabric-bonded systems isolate tile from substrate movement and reduce crack transmission. So lap and seal seams and use a modified thin set recommended by the membrane maker to get proper adhesion. These membranes also allow direct application over plywood in many cases, which speeds installation. Traditional mortar beds provide a thick, durable base for heavy equipment loads and can be sloped for drainage near utility sinks, but they require curing time and careful screeding to maintain levelness under tile. Ensure the mortar is mixed to the correct consistency and cured long enough before tiling. Foam sound barrier underlayments can reduce impact noise and add thermal break, but check compressive strength and use ones specifically rated for tile to avoid squashing under appliances. For maximum moisture protection, combine a water-resistant cement board with a separate sheet-applied waterproofing membrane over joints and fasteners. Applying 2 coats if required and allowing proper dry time before setting tile to ensure the system performs. Always follow the tile, mortar, and underlayment manufacturer specifications and verify substrate flatness within the recommended tolerance before proceeding. The 3 most common mistakes are using a compressible foam not rated for tile, which leads to tile cracking and movement, not confirming compressive strength and replacing it with a high-density product, or choose a cementitious underlayment. Failing to waterproof around washers and utility connections can lead to hidden leaks, so seal penetrations with a liquid waterproofing membrane and extend it up walls a few inches. And skipping substrate flatness checks, which causes lippage and grout failures. So, use a straight edge, shim, or patch low spots with a bonded patching compound and recheck before thin setting tile. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like laundry room tile installations, and we help contractors find work by listing jobs and profiles that make it easier to be found. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share product experiences, installation tips, and recommendations that support better decisions.